Ever feel like your accounting software is slowly turning into a feathered overlord, gobbling up your hard-earned cash? You started with Zoho Books, excited about its features and functionality. But now that initial free trial has flown the coop, leaving you with a paid subscription. Fear not, fellow budget warrior. Today's mission: can we liberate ourselves from this software and find the free Zoho Books plan? Let's face it, free is a beautiful word, especially for small businesses or solopreneurs just starting out. Zoho Books knows this. That's why they offer a generous 14-day free trial to get you hooked on their features. From creating invoices to tracking expenses, it's an accounting playground. But like all good things, the free trial eventually ends. Done, done, done. So, can we downgrade to free Zoho Books? Here's the thing. Zoho Books doesn't offer a direct downgrade option within your existing paid plan. But don't despair. There's a way to achieve free accounting nirvana. Here's the plan. Escape plan. Migrating to the free Zoho Books account. Step 1. Gather your data. Before we embark on the great Zoho escape, we need to secure our precious accounting data. Zoho Books allows you to export various reports, including your chart of accounts, customers, vendors, and transactions. Think of it as packing your financial backpack for the journey. Head over to the report section and find the export options for each dataset. Step 2. Prepare for takeoff, signing up for free Zoho Books. Now that you have your data safely stored, it's time to set up your free Zoho Books account. Visit the Zoho Books website and navigate to the sign-up page. This might feel counterintuitive, but trust the process. You'll be creating a brand new account, separate from your paid one. Step 3. Landing on free soil, importing your data. With your new free Zoho Books account ready, it's time to import the data you meticulously exported earlier. Zoho Books offers import options for most datasets. Find the import function within each section, customers, vendors, etc., and follow the on-screen instructions. It's like unpacking your financial backpack and settling into your new free accounting home. Free Zoho Books. What to expect? Congratulations! You've successfully migrated to the free Zoho Books plan. But remember, there are limitations compared to the paid plans. Here's a quick rundown of what you can expect. Limited transactions. The free plan restricts the number of transactions you can process each month. This might be suitable for very basic accounting needs, but if you have a high volume of invoices and expenses, you'll need to upgrade eventually. Limited features. Get ready to say goodbye to some fancy features you might have enjoyed in the paid plan, such as inventory management, advanced reporting, and integrations with other Zoho applications. Limited users. The free plan typically allows only one user. This means you can't share your accounting data with a bookkeeper or colleague. Free Zoho Books. Is it right for you? The free Zoho Books plan is a great option for freelancers or solopreneurs with a small number of transactions. If you're just starting or have very basic accounting needs, it can be a good way to manage your finances without breaking the bank. However, if your business grows or you require more advanced features, you'll likely need to upgrade to a paid plan. So, there you have it. We've cracked the code on how to migrate to the free Zoho Books plan. Remember, it's all about evaluating your needs. If the free plan offers enough for your current situation, then fly free, my friend. But be prepared to explore paid options if your business takes flight. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.